Hi there and welcome to Baking for Joy. In the video today, we're going to be making a salted caramel chocolate slice. You're going to need to set your oven to 180 degrees Celsius and you're going to need a slice tin. Could also be called a Lamington tin. It's actually just a rectangular tin and the dimensions of that tin will be in the description below. If you enjoy this video, please press the like button. Of course, don't forget to check out my other baking videos on my channel. If you're ready, let's bake. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Have a great day and happy baking.